Ready to make the easiest gravy ever? This rich, decadent miso gravy is naturally vegan and gluten-free, no boiling or whisking required to make it. You do it all right in your blender. This recipe only uses 5 simple ingredients, but it is packed with flavor. Grab your blender and add red miso paste, room temperature water, olive oil, a quartered shallot, 2 cloves of garlic, and some nutritional yeast. Blend until smooth and you are ready to pour. You can adjust the thickness of this gravy by adding more or less nutritional yeast as you're blending. I hope that this video answers all of your questions about how to make this super easy no-cook miso gravy. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!